So my question was, this kidney essence, does it like, is it formed only up to the age of 50 or so, till such time my like our hormonal levels, like hormones are secreted, but after that also, is this in the kidney in keeps on increasing, kidney essence, I meant to say.
So what we discussed, the kidney essence, na madam. The
Sure.
whiteboard is visible to you. So kidney essence. So what we call is a Shukradhatu.
Sir.
Your question, will it improve after 50?
Yes, sir.
So it will start from zero to end. It will generate, keep on generate. But the level intensity differs. For example, it improves at the age of early age. Let's take 0 to, you can see 0 to 7 months. You can see this essence is nourishing your body and making the growth. And at 7th month, you can observe the tooth, the
Yes, sir.
new teeth will form. That
Yes,
teeth
sir.
is
Teeth are
forming due to kidney essence. And at that time, after that, the hair growth is happening, the long hairs growth. So that is a kidney essence. So after that, from 1 year to still 7, 8 years, it's a minimal growth will be there in the form of bone, in the form of hairs. At the 7th year, you can see the permanent teeth. So that is indicating the kidney essence is
kidney.
strength in the body. And all the body growth and development, and we can see the speech. So that
Everything is
speech,
clear.
because of the kidney essence and the voice and all the developmental growth, walking and hearing and what are all see, the even vision, everything is developing from the your what kidney essence. If any delay in the growth, delay in the speech, delay in walking and vaginal problems, that is indicating kidney essence deficiency. You can see some tooth marks. Yeah, you can see some brownish and dark marks on the tooth.
Yes, sir.
Have you
Many
seen
people will say,
some
yes, sir.
kids
For
are
children,
facing this tooth dark marks on the teeth?
yes, sir.
So that is it is indicating in that month or 2, 3 months, maybe some food variation, or they are unable to eat properly, or they are unable to convert food into essence. So that variations you can see in the tooth marking. So that happening an early age, 1 year, 2 year, 3, 4 years like that. Okay. So even for a few kids, that tooth is not forming properly. The one tragedy is nowadays the tooth is not falling down.
Yes, sir. And it is growing in a haphazard manner, not in a straight manner. So it is growing, one is inside, one is outside, like that
Yeah,
zigzag way.
yeah. If tooth is not falling, not growing in right direction, means that is also kidney essence deficiency. See, all these things it's happening 0 to 10 years. So this 0 to 10 years, the we can say the kidney essence is definitely it is growing in good way, but not in exponential way. It is slow, slightly it is rising like this slowly. So due to that, normally your growth and sensory organs, so most of them is little slower in this. But after 12 years, you can see the better growth. So from 12 years to almost you can say 30 years. So 0 to this is all happening because of kidney essence. From 0 to 30 years, so you can see the menstruation cycle and in male sperm and body hair growth, all are showing the kidney essence. In this age, if anybody suffering with PCOD problems or irregular menstruation and lack of ejaculation problems, if body or head hairs becoming gray or whitish, so that is indication essence is going down. This is the age that your bone is growing. So bone growth is because of the that kidney young. So bone growth you can expect. So 12 to 30 years or even 25, 27 years, your bone is growing. You become tall, broader, strong. So bone growth in zero almost 12 to 18 years. From 18 to 30 years, it is increasing bone density. So bone growth, it's definitely it is kidney yang, and bone density is kidney yin. This is the thing. It happens in the 0 to 30 years, and almost 18 to 30, 35 is the highest fertility you can expect in the male and female. After 30 years, slowly, you can say little slower in the growth of the production of kidney essence. So you can say 30 to 40 years. It depends whether it is a upward or flatten or it is a decline. There in little upward growth of your kidney essence, so that you are strong and more density, you can work more. All those things it happens. So this is where a maximum people they fall into sick in today's generation. I'm telling, I'm not talking about the previous generation. 0 to 40, my expectation is at least little lower also fine, but it should not be declined. 0 to 40, 30 to 40. 30 to 40, where the men will be more stronger and more production of kidney essence. This is the age of humidity. You work more, you eat more, and more stability in the mind and body. Even 25 to 30, 35, the female fertility is also good. But what unfortunate is we are in the decline position. I think 70% of the today's population. My clinical experience is saying 70% of the people who are visiting to clinic, they are here. So every week we are witnessing many people 30 to 40 years, they are declining in their kidney essence. That is showing in their face, the activity, and a rise in blood pressure, diabetes, and many more thyroid variations. So this is most of the people, it is happening between 30 to 40. Do you agree this? 20 years back, it is happening 40 to 50. 40 years back, it is happening 50 to 60. You just check the statistical data of the world. The young generations of today's population, they are falling into diabetes range. Their HbA1c value is rising more than 6.5. So we call it maybe pre-diabetic or diabetic. And every year, the millions of young generation people are adding into the diabetes and even blood pressure. Every week, I am witnessing 8 to 10 patients. They are visiting clinic for high blood pressure and diabetes in this age. And especially many ladies, they're complaining. So they got diabetes in the pregnancy. That is called gestational diabetes. Why? Don't think delivering a baby is a simple task. It requires a lot of kidney essence. Lot of kidney essence. You're not only growing your body, you're making your baby to grow. You need double kidney essence. So many of the common people, they're not aware of this Shukra Dhatu, and they're planning a baby based on their job, based on their economical status, based on the facilities available. So who are able to take care in the home. And few are nowadays they're planned in the pandemic season. So we are from home, we'll make a baby. There should not be a reason to make a baby. To make a baby, both husband and wife, at least 3 to 6 months before, they should increase their kidney essence. How? We discussed in the previous class. You watch that video twice or thrice. In that class, you got to answer for all your lifestyle issues. Because what we discussed, Saptadhatus, 7 stages of converting your food into essence. To do that, all elements are required. Wind, heat, hotness, humidity, dryness, coldness. All elements are required to do that job. So when you are unable to convert your food into essence, so obviously the deficiency in the essence that weakens your bones. Do you know where you are storing your money? In bank, in wardrobe, almirah, Godrej, where and all. Some people they are keeping inside the flooring. We save money and gold in secured places. Like that, your body is saving that kidney essence in most secured place where it is first the maximum storage of your essence, it happens in the bones. It will store there. Still you are producing more, then it will store in the muscle. It will store in the form of fat. Still more is there. It stores, shows in your skin, glow, air, everywhere. That is your storage place. If you want to strengthen kidney essence, it will take 3 to 6 months to do that job. Right food, right activity, and mental relaxation. How, what? You just look at the one farmer, how he is doing the job. He is eating very natural food. I'm not talking about today's farmers. Don't mistake me. I'm just talking 30 years back. All native breed food. Second, his mind is empty. He is working without expectation. Third, very peaceful sleep. Three is enough to produce kidney essence. Don't Google how to improve essence. They're taking in the wrong direction. You will end up in buying something and you're losing money. They're all medicines. Medicines works, but it's not long run. For example, you might have seen Ashwagandha Leha, it works. Gokshura, it works. Many Lehas, it works to improve your kidney essence. But you cannot eat daily and more. If you eat Ashwagandha Leha more than 1 or 2 months, you end up with the excess heat in the body. Some other symptoms which will show. There's so many layers in Ayurveda. It's a superb medicines are available in the Ayurveda. Those things you can take as a supplement once in a while. For 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you can take and you can give a gap and like that. But the final conclusion is the food is the end process. You have to end up with the food only.